This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove VW Passat seats. First, ensure your safety by disconnecting the car battery. This prevents any electrical shorts. Next, gather your tools. You'll need a ratchet, appropriate sockets, and a trim removal tool. Finally, adjust the front seats to their furthest forward and backward positions to give you ample space to work around the mounting bolts. This preparation makes the entire process much smoother. To remove the front seats, begin by locating the plastic covers over the seat rail bolts, usually 4 per seat, and carefully pry them off. Using your ratchet and the correct socket, unbolt these 4 mounting bolts. Once the bolts are out, gently tilt the seat back to access the electrical connectors underneath. Disconnect all wiring harnesses, such as those for airbags or seat heaters, before lifting the seat out of the vehicle. Removing the rear seats is often simpler. Start with the rear seat bench by firmly lifting its front edge upwards. This action will release the 2 or 3 retaining clips holding it in place. Once the bench is free, you can remove it. For the backrest, look for any visible bolts or clips at the bottom or sides. After these are removed, pull the backrest upwards from its top edge to disengage it from its hangers, then carefully take it out. When your seats are out, store them in a safe place to prevent any damage to the upholstery or electrical components. Before reinstalling, take a moment to inspect the floor for any debris or hidden wiring that might have shifted. Reinstallation is essentially the reverse of removal, ensuring all bolts are tightened to specification and electrical connectors are securely reattached. Remember to check the description for a great deal on the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other helpful links and offers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.